Okay, our class is begin. Good morning, everyone. Today the topic is about homely position. My name is Jessie Ding. So today I will teach you how to use homely position and how to filter by homely position. Okay, let's see the main content. Today I will talk about the 4 points. First one is market outlook. The second one is application of homely position. The third one is the formula of using homely position, and the last one, the filter about work on water. Later I will show you. I will explain to you what's the meaning of work on water. Okay. So this is the main content. So firstly, let's see the market. Okay, let's see the market. Okay, the first one, let's see, this is the monthly chart of Dow Jones Index. So we can see the Dow Jones Index always create a new high, right? So firstly, let's see the monthly chart, because we should know that our investment philosophy is long-term first, short-term next. So we should see the long-term first. This is the monthly chart. So we can connect the low point to another low point. We can get the trend line, and we can know that the Dow Jones Index is still in the uptrend. So which means we still can keep our stocks. If you have some US stocks, you still can keep it. So because the trend is still up. Then we can see this is the weekly chart. I use homely rainbow to judge the trend, because we can know that homely rainbow, the white line is for the long-term trend, the blue line for the medium long-term trend, the yellow line is for the medium-term trend, and the red line for the short-term trend. So if we want to judge the short-term trend, we only focus on red lines. So firstly, we can see the weekly chart. Market is still up, and all the lines are long order, which means the trend is good. We still can keep our stocks. So the monthly is good, weekly also good. So let's see the daily chart. Daily chart, we have a lot of functions can judge the short-term trend. So this one is called bull and bear expert, which can show the buy and sell point. And we can know there are two color bands. The red band means the uptrend. The green band means the downtrend, like the bear market, the bull market. So we can see the green turn to the red band is the buy point. So if you see the red band means you can still hold stocks. So we can see here, this is the first buy point. This is the second buy point, because we can see red turn to green, green turn to red again. Is the buy point. But we see here, even if the band is red, but the price still drop. Why? Because this is for the support. So the red band has support for the stock price. Okay. So this is the daily chart. This is the Dow Jones Index. So we can see still strong. Then we can see next one is for the STI monthly chart. The trend is uptrend. For the monthly chart, the trend is still uptrend, because we can see the lower low and the lower high and the higher high and the higher low, which means the trend is uptrend. So if we see the trend is uptrend, which means we can keep our stocks. Okay. Next one is for the weekly chart. Weekly chart, I draw the pattern. The pattern is triangle pattern. So we can see the triangle pattern already break out, right? Okay, so how to draw the triangle pattern? If we can connect the two low point and the three high point also can, or we can connect the low point and the high point, we can get the triangle pattern. Then we can see which point is the good buy point. When you see the price upward break out the triangle pattern, which means the trend is reversal. Then the price drop, and this line has the support. So if you see the price drop here, which means still have chance. So if you buy here, this is the good buy point. So if you see the price drop, then sideways as some chart pattern, which means it's the good chance to buy some stocks. Okay, this is the STI weekly chart. So we can see the weekly chart still strong, right? So we know that this is the resistance, but the market already break out the resistance. So we know that the trend is still uptrend. Even if you see the the market had some correction, but for the medium-term trend, it's still up. Let's see the STI daily chart. The daily chart, I draw two lines. Why I draw these two lines? Because we can see this is the high point. Then according to the high point, previous high point, I can get the line. This line has some support. Then we can see here. Here is the gap, right? So the STI daily chart already covered the gap. So you can see here. Then why I draw this line? Because this is the gap. So we can see the price touch the gap and didn't cover the gap and touch the resistance, cannot break out, right? So if the market can continue to go up and upward break out the resistance, which means the chance is still okay. Then if not, this is the support line, okay? So this is the STI index. So let's see some individual stocks. Last this Tuesday, I gave the English course, and I talked about some stocks. I don't know whether you still remember or not. So such as this stock. This Tuesday, I talk about these stocks like around here. So why I talk about these stocks? Because the volume is active. And we can see the chart pattern. I draw the chart pattern so we can see here. So which pattern like this? Triple, a round shoulder bottom, okay? Not triple bottom, because the only one bottom, right? So why I talk about these stocks? Because we can see this is the whole trend. So we can see the whole trend, like what's pattern? We can draw the pattern like this, or draw the pattern just like that. So we can see from the chart, we know that the shares still have chance. Why? Because we know that where is the next resistance? Around here, right? So here is the resistance. So we can see the rising space is enough, okay? So I talked about these stocks, and we can see the bank money still inside. Resistance is around 0.2. Now the price 0.152, okay? So long time ago, I filtered these stocks. Use one filter method. Around here, I filter this method. Then I talk because my new member asked me which stock can buy. Then I do some filter. Then I filter this stock. I gave to him, but he didn't buy. So I asked him, why you let me introduce stocks to you, but you never buy? So he still continued to ask me to recommend some stocks. So I told him that I will not do that, because if I recommend to you, you still not buy, right? So you just focus. Then we can see this stock still have chance, and the pattern is like this. So we can see the pattern is also the same, right? Set down, then sideways, then break out the pattern. So why last Tuesday I also talk about these stocks around here. I talk this Tuesday I talk about this stock around here. Then I said this stock has chance. Then some members attend the seminar and only one non-member attend the seminar, and he remembered this stock. Then he remembered this stock the next day sharply up. So he think the software is good. Then he joined us yesterday or the day before yesterday. So we know that how to judge the pattern. So we can see the pattern is still good or not, but we can see why this stock cannot break out, because this is the resistance, right? So compare these two stocks, which one is better? So if you see these stocks, it's nearly touch the support, the resistance, and the other one the far away from the resistance. Which one you should choose? The second one, right? Okay, so this is some stocks. But let's see some high volume stocks, because every day. So some members ask me how I filter some stocks, because I check the stocks every day, like according to the high volume. Why I follow the according to the volume? Because if the volume is active, so which means the banker, like the bank money, will operate these stocks. They will not operate some stocks which has no volume, right? Okay, so let's see some high volume stocks, then analyze first. The first one is ISRA. So we can see the ISRA, good or not. Firstly, we should know that. We should see that the trend is uptrend or downtrend. Downtrend, right? So if you see the share is in the downtrend, you'd better not buy stocks. Okay. So firstly, let's see the monthly chart. The monthly chart, good or not? Not good. Which point is the good buy point? Which point is the good sell point? This is the triangle pattern, right? So if you see the price fall below the triangle pattern, what should we do? We'd better sell or stop loss. Okay, maybe you buy around here, but here you cannot earn money, right? You should stop loss. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. So the weekly chart, wow, still down, right? Okay, so we can know let's see the daily chart. Daily chart, if you buy yesterday, maybe you can earn money, right? But if you buy here, you will lose money. So depends on your buy point. So first, last time I introduced one function to you. This function is called dynamic chips, which can will help to catch the oversold and overbought. So we can see this is the the purple color, right? Purple color turn to yellow color. What's that mean? Means they have oversold, right? But we can see if you buy here, drop a lot, so you will lose money, right? So how to do that? We can know that. So firstly, let's see the volume. Why the volume is so strong? So let's see this one. So because we read the chart, will you buy next Monday? If you according to the chart, will you buy next Monday? So firstly, we should know that the trend is downtrend, right? Maybe the price may have some rebound, but we'd better not buy the stock like this. Okay, maybe the next Monday the price still can go up, right? So we can see the next one, Noble. So Noble, okay, this is the Noble, right? So I told the member, because one member bought this stock around this price. Why? Because we can see the support is around 0.215. If the price drop, what should we do? Maybe the price will cover the gap, right? But if can be supported, so here still have another chance to catch some rebound. If you do some rebound, you buy around at 0.215, which price you should stop? You should sell for short term. Around 0.245. Why? So we can see here, this is the big bullish candlestick, right? Big bullish candlestick or bearish candlestick. So we can see bearish candlestick. Half of the candlestick is the support and resistance. So we can note half of the candlestick, the price is around 0.25 or 245. Okay. Then if the price had some rebound, so here you'd better sell for short term. Okay. Then we can see the next one, this one. So we can see this one, big shadow, right? So big shadow and high volume, buy or not? Like this pattern, this candlestick, the candlestick is not good. So we'd better wait and see. Then we can see Yangzijiang still continue to go up, right? Why? Because the trend is good. So why I say the trend is good? Then we can see here, this is the chart pattern, right? So fall below, buy or not? No. Then we can see this chart pattern. What's pattern? Like triangle pattern, right? If you see the price drop, then sideways as chart pattern, the price upward breakout, what should we do? Buy. This is the buy opportunity. Then we can see here, still the chart pattern, right? This is the chart pattern, like triangle pattern. Which price we should buy? Here, right? The price upward breakout the triangle pattern, like on high volume. So we can see the volume increase, right? So here is the good buy opportunity, good buy point. So if you buy here, you still keep it, you can earn a lot of money. So that's why we need to learn how to read the chart pattern. Okay, how to find the resistance? So firstly, we can see already breakout, right? So we want to find the resistance. So we can see here. Here has small resistance. Okay, if you want to judge the resistance, you can use time black hole or chips distribution. So you can click ANZ. If you want to find the resistance, you'd better connect the high point to the current price. If you want to judge the support, you'd better connect the low point till the current price. So we want to find the resistance, we should connect the high point till the present price. Then we click CD, chips distribution. So we know that here is a small resistance, right? The big resistance is here and the big support. So the price already break out the big resistance. So here is small resistance. So the possibility of breaking up is high. So maybe here had some correction, then we can see if the price can upward breakout. The next one is around here. Okay, so let's see the next one. Let's see this candlestick. If you check the chart, and you can see this candlestick, will you choose to buy or not? No, because big shadow, high volume, you cannot buy because the price will have some correction. So you should know how to read the chart. It's very important. How to read the candlestick, how to judge the chart pattern. Okay, so this is the STI. Then if the STI can continue to go up, you still have chance. Then maybe cannot break out. They have had some correction. Then this is the support. Okay, so let's continue. If we want to judge the future support and resistance, maybe you see this stock already quite a new high. We cannot know where is the next resistance. So we can use this golden section, then we extend golden section to extend to 200%. Then we can see where is the next resistance and support. Okay. So let's continue. The next one we will talk about the application of homely position. So let's see the homely position. Homely position is an indicator that we can predict the future trend through the integrated research of price-volume relation. At the same time, homely position shows the strength comparison of the long and short. It can be used in daily and weekly chart, and the daily chart is better, especially for strong stocks, because it belongs to tendency indicator, but it's not fit for medium-term consolidation. So if you see the stock is in consolidation, you'd better not use this function. Okay, so this is the homely position. Then see here, this is the homely position. So it can help you to code strong stocks. So let's see some stocks like Mermaid. Okay, then we click CHN homely position. So you can It can help you to hold strong stocks. So here you sell or not? No, you still keep it. If you buy here, you sell around here, you still can earn money, right? Because this function can help you to hold strong stocks. Then let's continue to see here. This is the increase. This is the stop loss. Okay. Let's see the application of harmony position. We should focus on the direction of green line first. When we use harmony position, the increase signal is by point when the green line is formed from down to flat. Later I will show you the tactics of harmony position. This is the basic application, okay? So the next one. When the green line is from up to flat, we should wait and see for 3 days if stop loss appears. So if you see the green line is flat, even if the stop loss point appears, you'd better wait and see for 3 days. The next one, when the direction of green line is down, we need to wait and see, even if increase signal appears. So if you see the green line is downtrend, maybe the increase signal appears, you'd better wait and see, cannot buy, okay? So this is the basic application. Let's see the first one, in the first case. So we can see here, this is the green line, which can judge the medium-term trend, the direction. If you see the green line is down to flat, increase signal appears, here is the increase signal, okay? You can add some position. Then if you see the green line is continue to go up, which means the medium-term trend is good, you still can keep your stocks, okay? No need to sell. Then we can see next one. So we see here, the green line is still up, right? Green line is still up. Then we can see here, stop loss point appears. What should we do? We'd better wait and see. Wait for 3 days, okay? Because we can see the medium-term trend is still up, so you'd better wait and see. Even if the stop loss point appears, you cannot sell, okay? Then here, if 1, 2, 3 still can go up, so here you no need to sell, still can keep it, okay? So this is the second case. Here, wait and see. Let's see the third case. Third phase. Okay, then we can see here, this is the green line, right? Green line is still down. Then we can see the increase signal appears. What should we do? We'd better wait and see. We cannot buy because the trend is still down. So if you buy, you will lose money, okay? If you want to catch some rebound, you only can keep small position, okay? And know when to stop loss, okay? So here, wait and see. So the notice, this is the basic application. Later I will show you the practical application of harmony position. Okay, so this is the basic one. Then we can see the notice. When we use harmony position, we should pay more attention to the direction of green line. If the direction of green line moves down and the price stands below the green line, it means the rise is only for rebound, okay? So if you see the main line is still down, then the price rebound, the price go up, this is only the rebound, okay? So if the direction of green line is up and the price stands above the green line, it means that the rise is uptrend, it's the reversal, okay? So we see here, if you see the green line up, the price above the green line means this is the uptrend. You no need to sell. If you see the price is in the uptrend, you'd better consider buy point and hold signal. So the next one, if the direction of green line go down and the price stand below the green line, it means the fall is downtrend. So we can see here, if you see the green line is down and the price is below the green line, so this is the downtrend, okay? Then the last one, if the direction of green line is up and the price then above the green line, the first correction in the uptrend, what's that meaning? If you see the green line still up, then the price drop. The drop is only for short-term correction. You still have chance to buy again.
So what is that? Number 2 and number 4.
Number 2, number 4.
Same.
Okay.
The direction of green line moves up and price stands above the green line.
Oh,
The
this
number
one
4
here. This is the
2 and 4.
2 and 4.
The
Okay.
direction
It's
of
the direction of
moves
green
up
line
and
is down.
price stands above. The number 4 also says the direction
Oh,
of green
okay.
line moves up.
So let's see if the direction of the green line is down, means the green line is down and the price is below the green line. So if you see the 4, the price drop.
You see one and bullet point. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Ignore the first one.
Okay.
Sorry. Point.
Sorry. Okay, let's continue. Maybe the. Okay, then we can see this one. The second one, right?
Point. Okay. You put point number 2 and point number
Number
4.
2 is wrong, let's go.
Yeah, number 2 is wrong. If the direction of green line is down,
She's saying this statement
Description
is
is
similar to
better
the
than
same
this one.
except you just have the word correction. So maybe you explain the difference between this one
And this one.
okay, then I explain to you all. Okay, so I draw the chart. Maybe it's better. Okay, so this is the green line. We can see this is the green line, and this is the price. Okay, so this is the downtrend, right? This is the downtrend. Okay, so if you see the green line is down, the price drop. This is the downtrend. Okay, and we can see here the green line is up and the price is above the green line. This falling, the price drop. This is only for short-term correction. So you have another chance to buy again because this is the buy point. This is the sell point. Okay, and we can see here. This is the downtrend. The green line is down. The price go up, right? What's that meaning? This is only for rebound. You cannot keep for long time. But here is different. If you see the green line is up, then the price go up, continue to go up. The price rise. This is the uptrend. Okay. So can you understand? Huh? Later I will show you maybe around 40. Okay, so this is the notice. Then we can see here. Firstly, let's see this one. The green line is down, right? So the price rise, what's that meaning? This is only for rebound. You should sell quickly. You only can do short term around several days. You can only hold several days, then you should sell because this is only for rebound, for short term. And we can see here, it's still the same. This is the short-term rebound, okay, not the reversal. So we can see the green line is still down. The price drop. This is the downtrend, okay. So let's see the next one. So like this one, the green line is up, right? So the price drop. This is the short-term correction. When the correction after the correction, you have another chance to buy again. So this falling is the chance. Okay. So here you can buy again. Here you also can buy again because the green line is up.
How do you know at which point to buy? Because it's falling down.
Yeah. Later I will show you how to catch buy and sell point according to the homing position. Okay. So let's continue the next one. This is the uptrend. Firstly, we should judge the trend first. Downtrend, because the green line is down. Okay, so the price drop. This is the downtrend. You cannot buy stocks. So here, buy or not, you better wait and see. Okay. Yes. Then we can see the next one. This is the uptrend or downtrend. Uptrend, right? So we can see if you see the price is in the uptrend, you should catch some opportunity to buy again. Later I will show you how to catch this buy and sell point. Okay. So this is the basic application of the homing rainbow. So let's see the first skier. The skiers, not the first one. This is the skiers. Things will develop in the opposite direction when they become extreme, like the oversold. The filter condition, trend is down. The white line less than yellow line less than green line. Price slump, maybe 10 days BIAS minus less than -5. BIAS bottom deviation. This is method for catch oversold. Later I will show you how to catch the buy point in the uptrend. This is only for oversold. Okay, so the filter analysis only for oversold. So what's that meaning? Firstly, you should see the trend is down. The green line is down. The white line is down. The yellow line is still down. This is the downtrend. Because we want to catch some rebound if in the downtrend, right? We cannot buy stocks in the up, sell stocks. So we can see price slump, price sharply down. Okay. Then how to know the price slump? 10 days BIAS minus less than -5. Then we can know that the price slump. BIAS bottom deviation. Okay. Then. Okay, I show you. BIAS. So firstly, we have to judge the oversold and overbought. We can use holding position, combine with BIAS. Let's see the BIAS. Double click this window, then we double click BIAS. This is the indicators. Okay, so this is the BIAS. So what's the BIAS? BIAS is only for the judge the deviation or not, or the distance between the price and the moving average. Okay, so let's see this one. Firstly, how to catch the rebound. So let's see some stocks like Noble. Firstly, we say that the trend is downtrend, right? Because the green line is down. This is the downtrend. The first situation is the downtrend. The second one, price drop. Okay, price drop. So this is for the future. Then now I teach you what's the situation. Okay, what's the condition? The price drop. BIAS bottom deviation. How to judge the BIAS bottom deviation? The price drop, and we can see here. This is the low point, lower low, and the low point still lower low. Have deviation or not? No, this is not deviation. Then we can see where is the deviation. The price still dropped, but the BIAS go up. This is the bottom deviation. You know that. So we can use BIAS to judge whether the price is in bottom deviation or top deviation. So this is the deviation, bottom deviation. So we know that have chance to catch some rebound. Okay. So like this one. If you see the price drop, all the lines are down. This is the downtrend. The low point is lower, but the low point is higher. This is the bottom deviation. So we have chance to catch some rebound during this period. Next one is like this. The price drop, right? The bottom deviation. Because we can see the low point is lower, but the low point is not lower, right? So this is the bottom deviation. We can catch some rebound. Okay.
Yellow line is 10.
Yes. Both. Then we see some stocks. This is the bottom deviation. Then we can see Noble. Here is the bottom right. Okay. Then we can see, we check the all stocks. Then we judge this method. So like this one, has bottom deviation or not? Firstly, we know the trend is down, right? Then we can see the price drop. But we see here, you still not confirm the price will continue to drop or not. So the low point is still not confirmed. If the price, the lines up, so this is the bottom deviation.
But you see,
Yeah.
the point is from the point down, not from the bottom.
So we see here, this is the down, right?
Right.
So this is the,
Up. Like,
then you should know how to judge, okay?
you see your PIAS, red one how many days?
The other one is 5 days. So we should confirm. This is the price. How to confirm? Low point, low point. We confirm this is the low point. But for this price, low point or not,
Don't know.
we don't know yet, right? So we cannot confirm. But if you see the price like this, the price up and the line up, bottom deviation. Okay. So let's see the next one. This one, no deviation. Okay. So let's see this one. This one still up. So let's see here. The price up, up, down, the same. So we can see here, the price down. This is the bottom deviation. So you have another chance to catch some rebound. So this one is only for catch the short-term rebound. So let's see Yangzijiang. Downtrend. Then we can see this one. The price down. This one up. This is the bottom deviation. Okay. So you can see here down again, still up, double bottom deviation. Okay. So we can see here the price continue to go up. So you have chance to catch some bottom area. Okay, then we can see next one. We can check the stocks. So like this stock, Alliance. We can see here, this is low point, this is another low point, right? Low point is lower, but here, higher. What's that meaning? Bottom deviation. So you have chance to catch some rebound. So this one is only for catching the oversold, the rebound. Okay. Then we analyze Sembawang Marine. Sembawang Marine, we talked about these stocks long time ago, but many members didn't buy and or sell earlier. So we can see this stock. Why this stock have chance? You should know. How to confirm this is the bottom area? This is the price drop, right? Low point, low point. But we can see here. Then we can see here is also the low point, low point. So this low point is higher. What's that meaning? This is the bottom area. If you see the price is in the bottom area, you no need to sell stocks, right? You should catch some good opportunity to buy some stocks. Because you know this is the bottom area. So if the price go up, you should know this is the chance. Okay? Then we can see next one. All stocks we can check. So like this one. This one not confirmed yet. Okay? So we can see this one. So like this stock, the price drop, the low point is lower. So during this period, bottom deviation. Okay, so you know this is the bottom area. So if you see this is the bottom deviation, which means the stock is in the bottom area. Okay, so the price will, if the price upward breakout, you have chance to buy.
But then it drop again.
Yeah, here drop again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, still can keep because there's no deviation anymore. But here is the deviation, bottom deviation. But here no deviation, right? Because the price drop, there's still drop, no deviation. But here, deviation appears already, right? So you should know. During this period, this is the bottom area. If you see the price in the bottom area, the price go up and upward breakout, you have chance to buy again. So you can use this method to judge where is the bottom area, okay? So like this one. The price drop, then up. So during this period, this is the bottom deviation. But here, there's no deviation anymore. But you know this is the bottom area. If the price upward breakout, this sideways area, you have a chance to buy again. Okay? So like this. So you should know which stocks is in overbought area. Like let's see this stock. This stock is downtrend or uptrend? Downtrend, right? Okay, so how to confirm this is the bottom deviation or not? So we can see here the price. We can see the price is the same, but here up. So this is some bottom deviation. But we can see this is the bottom deviation, but we know that this is the bottom area. But where is the good buy point? You should later I show you where is the good buy point. But firstly, you should judge whether this is the bottom area or not, or whether the stock have chance or not. So let's see this stock. Postion. Sideways, right? This stock is in sideways. How to confirm? The green line is down or flat? It's flat, right? So if you see the price from down to flat, maybe you have chance. You can pay attention. Okay, so let's see this one. The price drop. The bottom, the BIS up. This is the bottom deviation. So you know this is the bottom area. So you can know, you should know where. So you know this stock have chance. But when to get in, you should wait the buy point appears. But we should know this stock may have chance because according to the chart, still have chance, right? So this is for the over. So how to judge whether the stock is in overbought or is in the bottom area or not. So buy point, you should take action only when 3 conditions are met. Meanwhile, it is buy point. So now I show you when to buy. It is buy point when BIS upward cross -5. Upward cross -5. Okay, so this is the upward cross. BIS upward cross -5. Okay, so if you see where is the -5, so here is the upward cross -5. So here is the buy point. Okay, so let's see the next one. We see here, there's no deviation, but we can see here, the price drop, the BIS down, up. This is the bottom deviation, when to buy. If you see the BIS upward cross -5 around here, upward cross -5. Not upward cross, upward breakout. You can see the parameter here. If you see -5, there's no -5, right? If you see there's no -5, you'd better check, because some stocks have the BIS is -5 or -10 or something. Some don't have, right? If you see don't have, so you according to this line, the -2 is better. Okay, so here is or you can see if you don't know, across the 0, upward cross the 0. So here is the buy point. Okay, because some stocks the BIS is -5 or -10, but some stocks don't have. If you see the stocks don't have the -5, right? You according to the 0. Okay.
When you say -5 is the yellow line or the red line?
Red line is for short term. Yellow line is for medium term. You can see the red line. Yeah, see red line. Okay. So this is the second part. the formula of using homely position. How to use homely position? The first one, a bighorn pieces cheaper dragons. Not cheaper, maybe double dragons. Increase when 2 dragons kiss. Keep buying when the price is supported by money pocket. Touch white dragon and move up is great. This is the formula, and I will explain the details for you all. The first one is a bighorn pieces cheaper dragon. No, not the cheaper dragon. So like this one. Just now we talk about the oversold, how to judge the bottom area. And now we talk about the buy and the sell point. Okay. So first let's see the two, because we can see homely position has 3 lines. The green line judge the trend direction. The red line and the white line. Okay. So yellow line and the white line. So if you see the yellow line and the white line upward turning, the big bullish candlestick, upward break out these 2 lines. This is the first buy point.
Yes.
First buy point. Okay, so you can see here, a big bullish candlestick break out the not the 3 lines, 2 lines also can. 2 lines of homely position. Okay, 2 lines. Then I show you the picture. Then we can see where is the good buy point. Firstly, you should know the trend is in the downtrend. Okay. Here you better wait and see. Then we can see this one. Where is the good buy point? So we see here. We confirm this is the bottom area, right? Okay. Then we see here. The price, the bullish candlestick, upward cross the 2 lines, white line and the yellow line. Here is the buy point. First buy point. But you should know, here you buy more or less, keep small position. Small position. You cannot keep more position. You only can keep small position. Okay, so here is the small position. Then we wait and see. Because you should know this is the downtrend. Okay, so this is the first buy point. But why I told you that you should keep small position? Because downtrend, the price will go down, right? Easily. So you should know when to stop loss. Okay, you should keep small position. Maybe 1/3 position is better. If you keep small position, even if the price drop a little, right, you are not afraid. Okay, you don't need to worry. So this is the first buy point. The next one, increase when the white line golden cross the yellow line. So we can see here, increase signal appears. This is for the increase position, add some position. Okay, so when the white line golden cross the yellow line, you can add some position. So here, green turn to white golden cross the yellow line, then the increasing appears. This is for the second buy point. So we can see here, increasing the appears. What's that meaning? You can add some position. Add some position, right? Okay, then you wait and see. So we see here, stop loss appears, sell or not?
With 3 days.
Because the green line is still up, so we better wait and see. Okay, wait for 3 days, continue to go up again, right? So no need to sell. Stop loss point appears again. What should we do? Stop loss appears, you then sell first around 3 days. So here you sell. Okay, maybe you want to sell at the top. If you want to sell at the top, I can teach you one method. This method is like this. We can see the pattern. This is the first high point, right? So we know the first high point is confirmed. This is the resistance. So you know the resistance is 0.2, right? So if the price rebound here again, if the price touch the resistance, because last time I taught the English class and I told you how to judge the sell point. When the price touch the resistance, you'd better sell first. Okay, so here touch the resistance, sell first. Okay, so if you want to sell at the top, you can sell around here. If you follow the function, you sell around here. Okay, because 3 days still down. Then increase appears again, you can buy again. Okay, so here can we buy or not? Yes, this is the first buy point, right? Because the big bullish candlestick upward cross the white line and the yellow line. This is the first buy point. Then we continue. Increase appears. So if you see the increasing appears, the candlestick above the green line is better. If you see the price is below the green line, even if the increasing appears, you'd better wait first till the price upward above the green line. Okay, so here we can add some position. Okay, the green line is still, if you buy, okay, the green line is flat, which means you'd better wait and see. No need to sell, just keep it. Okay, so you still can earn some profit. Then why this stock here need to sell? Because touch the previous resistance, you'd better sell first. Okay, so how to sell at the top? You should see if the price touch the resistance, you'd better sell first. Maybe you don't need to sell whole position, you can sell half position. Okay, so this is the second one. Third one, it is another buy point when the candlestick fall into the band and move up again, go up again. What's that meaning? Firstly, you should confirm the green line is still up. Green line is still up. Then the price drop to the band, go up again. So here is the buy point again. Okay, here is another buy point. So let's see some examples. Where is the next buy point? So here we can see the price drop to the band, right? So if the price can go up again, another buy point. Okay. So like this, like some stocks. Then we can see this stock. This one, if you see the price drop to the band, then go up again, buy again. Okay. So let's see this one. So firstly, let's see this stock. This stock can buy or not? Buy or not? There's no buy point, okay? But we can see whether have some bottom deviation or not. Where is the bottom deviation? Here, right? The price drop, the BIAS up. This is the bottom deviation. Where is the first buy oversold buy point? When you see the BIAS upward cross -5, so around here is the first, is the oversold buy point. Okay, just now I taught you this is the oversold buy point. This is the homely position first buy point, right? So here, because the candlestick upward cross the yellow line and the white line, so here is another buy point. So here is the next buy point. Okay, so this is the buy and sell point. But you should know where is the sell point. Just now I already taught you. If the price touch the resistance, sell first. Where is the resistance? The price just cover the gap, right? Just cover the gap. So you'd better sell around this price. Okay, then you wait and see. So if you buy here, you sell around here, or if you didn't sell around here, then rebound to this price again, you should sell. Okay, so you can earn some profit. So the next one, the price drop, but touching the lifeline, touching the green line, has some support, then you can buy again. Okay, if you see the price drop, then touch the green line, you would buy again. You can buy again because the green line is still up. Okay, so you learned about this first tactic of holding position. Then you should know how to judge the trend. I give you one stop, then you should know. You should tell me whether it's good or not. Okay, so let's use Wilma. Let's see this period. Okay, so firstly you should judge the whether the price is in bottom division or bottom area or not. So the price down, there is up, which means the bottom area. Okay, so where is the oversold buy point? When you see here the price according to the 0. Okay, so here is the first here is the first buy point, and the holding position is also the first buy point. Why? Because the candlestick upward break out the yellow line and the white line, but the candlestick is the green candlestick. Okay, so here is the buy point. Increase appears. I told you that if the increasing appears, the price, the candlestick is above the green line, is better. So here you can add some position. Then you wait and see. Drop again. Then wait and see where is the next buy point. Drop again, right? Stop loss appears, but the green line still up, right? So wait for 3 days. 3 days still up, down. You'd better sell here. Okay? Then green line is down. So we can see here. Here has some bottom deviation or not? No bottom around here has some bottom deviation. Okay, this is the first buy point, right? Increase appears. Okay, so we can see here. If you buy here, right, then we can see the next one. Increase appears. You add some position again, and we should know that the price down. Then we can see drop. Then we should know that if the increase signal appears after several days, the green line is still down, you'd better stop loss. Okay, so we can see the green line is still down, right? So here you'd better stop loss first. So you should know when to stop loss, because you cannot confirm every time you buy at the correct point. Okay, but if you buy wrong, sell quickly. So you can sell first, right? Stop loss. Then where is the buy again? This is the down, right? Then up, bottom deviation. Okay, so here you can buy again, right? Sell or not? Should sell or not? Keep it. Stop loss appears. Sell quickly. Okay, then you can buy again. So now you should know, like the Wilma. So I already taught you how to sell at the top. If touch the resistance, you can sell at the top. Okay. If you according to this sell point, maybe a little late, so you can use my method to judge the sell point, because you want to sell earlier. then you can use this method. But if you, according to the chart, you sell around here because stop loss point appears, you sell first. Or how to, so we can see here, you'd better sell. And if you see all the lines, white line and the yellow line are all down, this is for the correction, okay? So here you should stop loss, and you can avoid some risk. If you sell here, you still can avoid some risk, right? So if you want to sell at the top, how to do that? This is the big bullish candlestick, right? Half of the bullish candlestick is the support and resistance. If the price fall below half of the bullish candlestick, you sell first, okay? So you can sell around this area. So this is some tips. Then we can see Yang Zijiang still have chance or not. So we can see here, still can keep, but whether sell or not, no need to sell, okay? Still can keep. Then we see yellow, still up. Where is the good buy point? Here is the first buy point, and increasing appears and the candlestick is above the green line. Here is the second buy point, okay? Green line is still up. Then you wait and see, okay? So you still can keep it. Where is another buy point? Here is another buy point, okay? So if you see the price drop in the band and the candlestick above the white line again, is the next buy point. So here is the next buy point, okay? So here is also combine. Now we hold or not. You see whether touch the resistance or not. But for the chart, you still can keep it, okay? So let's see Midas. Let's see the Midas, this stock. Where is the buy point? Here buy or not? Here is the first buy point, okay? Then increasing appears, next buy point. Then you hold, wait and see. Here combine, here also combine, okay? But here stop loss appears. You can see here. The price touch this cannot break out. Touch again cannot break out. So you should know this is the resistance around 0.26. If the price touch here again, you sell first. So you can, maybe you can key the price yesterday, then you can sell earlier, okay? Because you know where is the sell point, okay? Costco. Let's see the Costco. Costco is not, you see this is the big, this candlestick is not good, so the price drop. Where is the first buy point? So here is the first buy point. Increase appears, next buy point, okay? Then you wait and see. So you should know here you'd better sell tomorrow because this candlestick is not good. So you can use this method to judge the buy point and the sell point. Maybe you can judging according to the chart pattern and the candlestick and the resistance. Then you can judge the next sell point. But for the medium term, this stock still can hold, okay? So let's continue. Holding position cannot be used in sideways. If you see the price is in consolidation, you can see the stop loss point appears, increase appears, stop loss increase. So if you see the green line is flat, you'd better not buy according or sell according to the increase and the stop loss point. This one? Yeah. Because today I only teach you one function. Okay, let's just like this style. Firstly, the trend is good. Then secondly, the multicolor dragon, the bank money inside. Okay, so this one is better. Both stock price movement and the purple line of multicolor dragon are rising at 45-degree angle. So like this is the 45-degree bank money inside. Okay. So we can see this chart. This is the BIAS. See, the price is the same. AS, the top deviation. If you see the price is in top deviation, you'd better pay attention to the sell point. Okay. So we can see here, this is maybe you increase your position, right? But here, bottom deviation appears, top deviation appears. You'd better know where is the sell point. Here we can sell. Okay. Here stop loss. We must stop loss. So here is the first sell point. Why? Because the top deviation and touch the resistance. So here is the first sell point. Where is the second sell point? Stop loss appears. This is the second sell point. Stop loss. Okay. Then the next one is for the price up, because the trend is continue to go down. The price rebound in the band. You should sell again. Okay. So here sell. Here also sell. Here you need to sell because the trend is down. If you see the price is in the downtrend, you'd better pay attention to the focus on the sell point. If the price in the uptrend, buy point is more important. This is the bottom deviation, but the point never appear. So if you want to buy, 3 additions should met. Okay, should be met.
What are the three conditions?
The 3 condition. I give you again. This is the 3 condition. Okay. So last part, I will teach you how to filter buy harmony position, because we learned buy and sell point. Then we should know how to filter by harmony position. How to filter? A Bitcoin piece is not cheaper, maybe double also can. Double jab can. Select the shares we just move. Premise: a big young bearish break out the 2 lines if of harmony rainbow at the end of the price drop fall. So we can see the filter condition. Logical filter HPLS VARE minus VAR2. Why? Green line, the white line below the yellow line. Yellow line below the main line. This is the downtrend. Okay. The VAR1 upward turning, VAR2 upward turning. What's that meaning? All the lines upward turning. Then the next one, quotation. 1% minus change then 10%. What's that meaning? This is the bullish candlestick, because 1 to 10 the price up. Okay, because the intraday change the price is up, so we can use these conditions to filter. Okay, so how to do that? So firstly is the VAR1 less than VAR2, VAR2 less than main line, VAR1 upward turning, VAR2 upward turning. Okay, this is the first condition. VAR1 less than VAR2, VAR2 less than main line, VAR1 upward turning, VAR2 upward turning. Okay, this is the first condition. The second condition, intraday change from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. It's up to you, but 10%. It's up to you. 1 to 10, 1 to 20 also can. Okay, then this is the filter method. Then I teach you how to do that. Show you. Firstly, we should click the technical filter. Then click logical filter. Change the original indicator to HPLS. HPLS. Okay, no need to change the parameter. Okay, then VAR1 less than VR2, then click Add. VR2 less than main line, click Add. Then VR1 upward turning, click Add. VR2 upward turning, click Add. Okay, this condition you know that.
Slowly. Repeat again.
Okay,
Too fast.
too fast.
Okay.
Okay,
One start.
then we start again.
Okay.
Repeat again.
Okay.
Firstly, we should click this one, technical filter. Then click logical filter.
Okay.
Change the original indicator to HPOS.
Okay.
Then VR1,
Yes.
change the logical relation to minus
Minus.
VR2.
Minus
Then click
VR2.
Add.
Add. Okay.
Then VR2 less than main line. Click the main line. Then click Add. Then VR1 change the logical relation to upward turning. Upward turning. Click Add. Then VR2 upward turning. Click Add. Okay, finish right. Then after that, click quotation because we need to find the bullish candlestick, not the bearish one. So maybe we change the 1 to 10, okay, or 20, okay, 1 to 10.
Then
20 also can both, it's up to you. Then 1 to 20, right? Then finish, just click filter. Yes. Then we filter which one is better. Means the price, today the price up. Yes, higher than yesterday.
So it doesn't include the buyer's lines, right? You still got to open the window and match it.
Yeah. Then we see this one. This one up, but the chart pattern is not good, right? This one not good. So after some stocks you should check which one is better. Okay, if this stocks just filtered is not good, you don't need to buy. Okay, you can check another day. So this one is like this. This is the candlestick because recently all the stocks are running red. So maybe you missed a good chance. Then this is the first filter method. The second filter method, because you can see the stop price fall below the green line and rise again when the green line is up in a bull market and the price is above the line of homely position. So like this. Actually, VR1, just now we filtered the downtrend, right?
Yeah.
Then this one is for the uptrend. VR1 more than VR2 means the white line is above the yellow line. Then VR2 more than and equal to main line means the yellow line is above the green line. Okay. Then VR1 upward turning.
this is also HPOS.
Yeah, HPOS. Why I use these three conditions? Because the two conditions means the trend is up or down. Uptrend. The last one VR1 upward turning was a meaning. The white line upward turning. Because if the price drop, then the white line will go down. Okay. Then VR1 upward turning means the price up again. Okay.
So the white line is short term.
White line is short term.
Then yellow line.
Yellow line is for medium short term.
Okay.
Yeah.
Green line is medium.
Yes, medium term. Okay, then we can see this one. Then the same. Change is the same because the bullish candlestick. Okay, so how to do that? Firstly, we should change the HPOS. VR1 more than and equal to VR2. Click Add. VR2 more than and equal to main line. Click Add. VR1 upward turning. Click Add. Okay. Which one? On the pyramid?
On the left side.
This one. Default. Which one? This one is for the default figures. This one is for the VAR1. This one for the VAR2. Okay. Then we can see the quotation 1 to 10. Then we just click filter. See whether have some stocks or not. Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Not in only the moving average. Okay. Then we see which one. The first one. This one with better give up. Okay. So just fall below the band, then up again, right? So this is the second one. The next one, this one sideways, give up. Down, then up again. So this one, down, then up again. Okay. So this one also the same, down and up again. So you can filter stocks like this. Okay. So this one, Postion. Postion, if you buy here, now still have churn. Okay. So you can filter some stocks like this. Or you should learn this method. So after filter, we only find 2 stocks are better, right? Because the others is not good. So we give up first. Okay.
This next filtering is
for the price drop to the band, go up again. The trend is up. So this is the second. The last filter method is about the oversold. Just now I taught you the BIAS, right? So this is for the oversold. Because recently it's difficult to filter because some stocks are already running, so difficult to filter some stocks like oversold. So we can see the first one. BIAS2. BIAS2 means the 10. Okay. BIAS2 less than minus 5. Then 30 within 30 days. The BIAS2 bottom deviation. Then because why I choose 30 days? Because deviation is period, not the day. Okay, not the intraday. The 1 day. The VAR1 less than VAR2, VAR2 less than main line, downtrend or uptrend? Downtrend, right? Okay, so how to do that? Logical filter HPOS, VAR1 less than VAR2. At VAR2 less than main line, at downtrend, right? Okay, so how to find the oversold? BIAS, not this one. I use this one. Change the original indicator to BIAS. No need to change the parameter. Okay. BIAS 2 less than minus 5. Remember, BIAS 2 less than minus 5. Okay. Less minus 5, click add. So BIAS2 less than minus 5. Then BIAS2 within 30 days. Change the 1 to 30. Then within 30 days, logical relation change to, there's no bottom deviation. Oh, here, bottom deviation. Then click add. Okay, then just click filter. It's okay. You can check. You can do it by after class. You can check it. Yeah. So either are filtered, but this one no need to care. Okay. This one give up. This one oversold. Right. Oversold. So this one oversold. This one also oversold. So this filter method is only for oversold. Okay, then you can filter at home. Then you can remember this 3 filter method and check whether, because this first one is for the oversold, the trend is down, and the next one is for the upward cross the buy point, the first buy point. The next one is for the uptrend buy point. Okay, so you can filter like this method. So today we talked about the homely position. Homely position, I think, is to judge the medium long term, but for short term, you should combine with the method. So this one you can use for the buy point, but for the sell point, you can, because sell point is a little late, so it's better use some chart pattern and candlestick to judge. Okay, so this is today's course, and I hope you can understand. Do you have any question? G30. Continue. Just touch the bed, just touch the green line when to get in. If the price can up again, up to the white line again, you can continue confirm to buy again. Okay, but now you'd better wait and see, because just touch the green line. Okay, if tomorrow the price up, maybe you can do some short-term rebound.
Middle term is okay.
Middle term is okay. Later. Okay, so you see when to sell, just touch the resistance, right? You can use this method to judge the buy point. Sell point when to sell. Touch the resistance. Here you sell first. Okay. Which stock? Food. Still can keep good trend, okay? Because you can see the stop loss point appears, right? Sell or not. Maybe here some members, maybe you will be afraid, but sell or not. Keep it, then up again. But if you cannot break out this one, sell first, because this is the resistance. Okay, so this stock is good. You keep, if you buy around here, you keep here, you still can earn a lot of profit, right? Yes.
Is bias better than the deviation expert?
Deviation expert.
That one also easier to see.
Yeah, it's up to you, because different people has different style of investing, right? Okay, so this is today's course. Okay, thank you so much.
Can you come back to the first
First method. This one? Okay. Wait. BS 点第二个，
点二，
第二
点二哈，
第二个。
点